In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and sync Notion in your Apple Calendar effortlessly in just 5 minutes. Let's get started, and by the end of this, you'll have your Notion calendar seamlessly integrated with your Apple Calendar, making your workflow even smoother. First, we'll begin by accessing your Notion calendar. Whether you're using the desktop version or on your favorite browser, just open up Notion as you usually would to get everything ready. Once you've navigated to your Notion calendar page, sign into your Notion account as usual. Ensuring you're logged in will provide you with full access to all the features we need to make this process as smooth as possible. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one. It's quite straightforward and will be helpful in the long run. Now that you're signed in, let's navigate your way through the settings to add a calendar account. Look for the settings option within Notion's interface. This is usually quite easy to find, typically located in the sidebar. Once you're in your settings, find the option for integrating calendars or accounts. You'll be looking for something that says, Add Calendar Account. It's the gateway for linking your Notion to other calendar services. Select it, and we'll move to the next step. Here's an important part. Generating an app-specific password from your Apple ID. To do this, head over to your Apple ID account page. You'll need to log in using your Apple ID credentials, so make sure you have those on hand. On the account page, look for the Security section. This is typically where you'll find the option to generate app-specific passwords. Once found, follow the steps provided by Apple to generate this unique password. This app-specific password is crucial because it allows Notion to securely access your Apple Calendar without needing your primary Apple ID password. With your newly generated app-specific password, go back to your Notion calendar settings. Here, you'll need to connect your iCloud account to Notion's calendar settings. Enter your Apple ID email and the app-specific password you just created. This step links the two services and allows them to communicate seamlessly over the cloud. Make sure both are correctly entered to avoid any syncing issues. And there you have it. Your Notion calendar should now be synced with your Apple Calendar. This integration means that any updates or events you enter into Notion will be reflected in your Apple Calendar, keeping everything organized and in sync. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, feel free to share any questions or difficulties you might encounter in the comments section below. Enjoy your newly streamlined calendar experience.